welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to cook scrambled eggs. So let's get started. Our ingredients: olive oil spray. This is optional guys, you can omit it if you want. 2 eggs, up to you whether you want 2 or 1 or more. And of course salt and pepper. You don't need a spray for this recipe. You can also omit it if you want, or you can use a normal oil also, but we use this brand for our cooking at home. Okay, so the first step is we spray a little oil. We crack the eggs, okay, and then we whisk them. And then we put it in the microwave. And then set it. You can see that's slowly rising up, which means it's almost ready. So after about a minute, it's ready. We're gonna take it out, but careful guys, the container can be really hot at this time. Then we'll transfer it to your bowl and then add salt and pepper. Enjoy!